Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you kids? I hope you all are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children, sit in your places. Last previous class what you learned? In the calendar how to see the days and how many days are there in the months and weeks. All you learned. Yes. What are the days of the weeks? What is that? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are days of the week. Yes. Again, months. Months you learned. Yes. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These all you learned previous class. Yes. Today I will say you applications. What is that? The earth move around the sun. See, earth, you know the earth. Earth means what? Our, where we are living, on the earth only. Yes. Earth, this is earth. Yes. See, this is sun. As sun. This earth move around the sun. See, the earth move around the sun. Yes. How many days it will take for a full one round if you earth will move like this. Yes, here like this, it move. And how many days it will take? 365 days and 6 hours. Understood? Earth will move around the sun means total one round. If you do means how many days it will take? 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days means 1 year. Understood? 365 days means what? 1 year. Understood? 1 month how many days? 30 days. Yes, 30 or 31 days in a 1 month. 1 year how many days? 365 days in a year. Understood? Earth will move around the sun. One round it will take means 1 year. How many days it will take? 365 days it will take. Understood children? See, this is earth. See, this is sun. Maybe, see, example I am saying. This is sun. Okay, this book is sun. This is earth. Earth move like this around the sun. One round it will take means How many days? 365 days it will take. Understood? Again, see. See children, seasons are causes due to the earth movement and the sun, around the sun. Yes, understood? Seasons are causes due to the earth's movement around the sun. When the earth will move around the sun, seasons also causes. The three main seasons in a year, what are they? Summer, rainy and winter. Understood? How many seasons are there? Main seasons 3. Only 3 seasons. What are they? Summer, rainy, winter. These are main seasons. These 3 seasons are spread over the 12 months. These 3 seasons where will spread? 12 months. In the 12 months it will spread. Understood? See, write in the classwork ma. One year is equal to 365 days. 1 month, sorry. See, 1 day is, sorry, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. Okay. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. As 12 months is equal to 1 year. As understood? See, 1 week how many days? 7 days. 4 weeks how many months? Tell me. 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. See, 1 week is equal to 7 days over na? Sorry. Now, 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 or 31 days. As 1 year is equal to 365 days or 366 days, because leap year also is here. Understood? Is there, that's right. Copy in the classwork. Should copy this. Write in the classwork ma. Children, copy these questions in the classwork. How many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? Tell me. Answer. There are 365 days in a year. Understood? Next, how many seasons are there? How many in a year? What are they? See, how many seasons are there in a year? There are 3 seasons in a year. They are summer, rainy, winter. This is main seasons. Understood? Main season. Sorry. How many seasons are there? How many main seasons are there? You should write. Main. Because main seasons. Normal seasons means 4 it will come. Understood? Main seasons. How many main seasons are there in a year? What are they? There are 3 seasons in a year. There are three main seasons in a year. Children, see here they given summer, rainy, winter. Yes, here they given like this. See, later days of February to March, April, May. See, earlier days of June. These months are summer. Understood? See, here rainy. Later days of June, July, August, September, earlier days of October. These months are rainy season months. Understood? Here, winter season. Later days of October, November, December, January. Earlier days of February. This one you should learn. Understood, children? This chart you should learn, ma. Again, example 3. Answer these questions. Which season comes before winter? Before winter, which season will come? Rainy season. Which season fall between winter and rainy? Winter and rainy. Which season will fall? Summer season. Yes. Which season is it during August? August which season? See, in which season in August? Rainy season. Understood, children? You should learn this. Okay, example 3, example 4. See, answer this following question. Which month fall under the rainy season? Which month is fall under the rainy season? So, see here, middle of June and July, August, September, earlier days of the October. Understood? Next. Which season it is in January? January which season? See January. Where it is January? Here. Winter season. Yes. Winter season in January. Next. In which season does the sun shine brightly? Sun shine brightly it seems. Which season? Summer season. See, summer season means very hot. S. Rainy season means rain will fall and wet. Wherever you will see wet. Okay. Winter season, very cool weather. S. You know na seasons? Summer season, rainy season, winter season. In summer season, what will eat? Ice cream, cool drinks. Yes. In rainy season, what will eat? Hot chips, hot pakodas. Yes. Bhaji, bondas. You will eat or not? In rainy season. In winter season, what will eat? Chaat. You know chaat? Hot chaat. And what will eat? Chicken manchuri, Manchuria. Yes. Everything will eat or not? Chicken tandoori, everything. Hot will eat. Yes or no? Chicken kebab, mutton. You will not eat? These are hot will eat. Yes or no? Children, open your workbook, everyone. Applications. Very short answer questions. How much time does the earth take to move around the sun once? One time if you will take round of around the sun, one round it will make means how much time it will take? 365 days and 6 hours. Yes. 15th one solution. What is that? 365 days and 6 hours. Yes. One round it will take. Yes. Otherwise, or what will say? 1 year. Understood? 365 days means what? 1 year. Understood, children? See, 16th one, short answer question. Answer the following question. Which season comes after winter? Which season comes after winter? Tell me. 16th one. Which season comes after winter? Summer. Summer season. Yes or no? Next. Which season is it in July? July season. Which season? Rainy season. Yes. Rainy season. Next. Identify the seasons in the following picture. Identify this. See, what is this pictures here given? See, which season is this? Which season we will wear sweater? Tell me. We will wear sweater in the winter season. Yes. Which season will we use umbrella? Rainy season. Yes, children? Write that. Winter season, rainy season you should write. Okay. Children, 17th one. What is that answer? Identify the seasons in the following pictures and color them. Which season is that? First one, winter season. Second picture, rainy season. Okay. See, 18th one. First write this. 18th one. What is that question? 18th one. Higher order thinking skill. They given. Yes. Read that question. If today is 12th December and it is winter now, What month and season will be 4 months later? 4 months later, which season will come and which month will come? You should say that. Okay, see, if today is 12th December, it is winter season. 4 months later, which season will come? 4 months later means what? January, February, March, April. April month. Which season will come? Tell me, which season? Already I told you. April month, summer season as 18th one. It would be the month of April season as April season. April. Which season is in April? Tell me. Already I told you. You should learn this chart as April season. Summer. I told you na, summer. In April season. Which season in April? Summer. See, it will be summer season. See, it would be the month of April. It will be summer season. Understood? April season is summer season. Copy in the workbook, ma.